Hello, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pair of snowflake earrings using our Bezel Gemstone connectors. First, you can go ahead and use one of your jump rings to connect your connector to your earring hook. Next, you can go ahead and use another one of your jump rings to connect your Snowflake Charm to the other end of that connector. And then you can close that jump ring and you are all done, and just do the same thing for the other earring. And here's another picture of the earrings. You can go ahead and check out our channel for more designs.